Video, I will show you how to set up Passkey for instant login to your Zoom app. Open up your Zoom app. Then go ahead and click on sign in. Then enter your email address and click on next. Enter your login password. Then click on sign in. After you successfully log into your Zoom app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on my profile. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. And then you want to make sure you come under the security. Use fingerprint ID. Turn on this button right here. Fingerprint signing, and enter your fingerprint, and boom, you have successfully enabled your passkey. So each time you want to log in or have access to your Zoom app, you'll be asked to enter your fingerprint before you can have access. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.